Hello kids! Welcome back to another great tutorial. This is your friend Flynn. Alright, today we're going to be talking about HTML. I'm going to teach you how to write an HTML website from scratch using Notepad, or what I'm going to be using today is called Geany. So first you write HTML like so, and then as you notice, there's like a little slash on the HTML on the bottom. Then you type the body tag BG color, and then you type the equal sign, then parentheses, and type in the color you want, and then close that body tag. As you notice, the word black is in between the parentheses, and you have to close the body tag. Now we're going to add a head tag. Just copy what I'm doing on the screen in your notepad document or any other code writing program. Just copy exactly what I'm putting in here. This program's pretty neat because when I type a tag, it closes it for me. It's called Geany, and it is a freeware program for Linux. So in the title, you can type something like "My First Demo." Make sure to type it between the title tag, and this BR tag that you see is called the break. It's kind of like a space, so it leaves a space in between the top of the page. The next tag we're putting in is the center tag. This is if you want to center text, like let's say for the title of your website or of your article or poem or whatever you're composing and posting to your website. The font tag is very important because you could change the color and size of your text. So type in font color equals parentheses. We're not going to make the text black because the background is black. So what we're going to do is make the background, actually we're going to make it white. So and then for size, you can do size equals 6. 6 is like one of the biggest colors that you can actually type up for a website, but you can do other sizes and numbers, but I'll get into that in another lesson. This is just the simple stuff. As you see, everything is within the center tag and then within the font tag. The text has to be in between there because that's where it's going to be controlled. Don't tell me I accidentally left the font color as black. I guess I did when I was recording this. We actually wanted to make the font color for the top one white, but we're going to do that for this one. So we enter a break and another font tag. Yeah, I made a mistake. If you can on your screen put the font color at the top as white. I forgot to change that, but I just kind of made this quickly. So we put font color white, and then we put, this is my website where I teach you how to write HTML code. And then HTML code is the basic code that websites are written in. So once you have written a website, you can upload the files to the net and share your website with the world. Another typo, I put you website with the world, but either way, this is just a little example. The main part is that you get this code right. Okay, so as you can see, everything has the HTML, which is like the sandwich of the code. I mean, it's like the bread. You got the HTML tag, then the body tag is the other part of the sandwich, and in between there you put your head, your title, and then you put in your fonts, your text. Later on we could add pictures and other stuff. And then look, when we load this up, you actually see it here, and you can see that the background is black. You could see the title up there, my first web page, and then part of the other stuff didn't work right here, but I still tried my best to do it as best I could. Either way, as you can see, it looks pretty good. This is my website where I teach you how to write HTML code. HTML code is the basic code that websites are written in. Once you have written a website, you can upload the files to the net and share your website with the world. Which I'll probably do some tutorials about how to upload your stuff to like a free web server. Or if you want a better, like get a .com, you could also pay for, GoDaddy.com has servers and space. and domain name registration and stuff like that. So this has been a basic lesson in how to write code in HTML, how to make a website in Notepad or any other text editing program. I'm using Geany, as you can tell, but yeah, this is pretty much what I'm doing. And this is Flynn. Thank you very much, and have a great day.